Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our website. My name is Coach Adrian and I have the pleasure, the delight to work on a day-to-day basis with amazing people all over the world who are passionate about trying to make things work, who believe in love, who want to be with someone that they were with or someone that they have their sights on. And I am here to help you, provide you with the tools and the techniques and the perspective and roadmap that you need to get there. But I also work on helping people move on. After painful breakups, after toxic relationships, or when it's not possible to be with the person that you love, I also advise men and women on how to move forward in a structured way to find someone that can make you happy. And the topic of today's video is on moving on. How can I make the sadness that I'm feeling go away post-breakup? A breakup is hard. A divorce is hard. A separation is always very painful because it is a loss of identity. Dreams, projects, aspirations, a common life project is shattered, and your identity is challenged because you've kind of associated who you are to this relationship. Human beings, we strive off of relationships where identity is based on the different numerous relationships that we have with people around us. Our family members, our significant other, our coworkers, our children, those relationships define us. And so when you lose this bond with your significant other, when they reject you in that sense, it's normal to feel deep sadness. The best way to move forward and to deal with these negative emotions is to be active. Don't be static. Being active means looking forward and having a clear plan. Staying busy and setting goals. Staying busy means doing constructive, productive activities on the day-to-day basis, linked to goals that you will have set for yourself. Professional goals, social goals, personal goals. You need to force yourself to be moving forward. I also highly encourage you to do some exercise. The more you work out, the more you will be able to release negative emotions, negative energy, and basically to create something new, a new dynamic. Don't be afraid to take on new challenges, to push yourself, to stretch your comfort zone, and to be in new environments, right? You need to renew this energy around you. The more you are static, the more you are reminiscing and talking about the past and talking about how sad you are to your friends and family, or really be feeling sorry for yourself, the harder it will be, the sadder you will feel. And it depends on you. That's the beauty of this process. If you are able to be self-disciplined, if you are able to really truly work on yourself and to be strong, you can move on quite quickly, even if the breakup was traumatic and painful. If you need more support, if you need help, reach out to Coach Nat or to myself. We would love to help you. We understand what it's like, and we have the tools to help you get there. I would love to work with you. And please don't be shy and don't hesitate to reach out. I promise that'll be worth your while, and that I will give you the structure that you need to help you see this through. Take good care. See you soon, and keep fighting the good fight. All the very best.